No joke. This 30 just projectiled out of the water. Grab the net. You got the net? It literally, like it was like a marlin. Woo! Woo!
He was jumping, eh?
Bro, it's like a marlin. Oh, he's going good. Oh, he's not about to. Oh, you go. Oh shit! Bro, that was like a marlin. Did you see it? We're like, what's that treaty jumping out of the water?
Look, it was stomach, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the bends, is it?
Maybe. Oh, that's not my line, that's good too. Bro, that jumped out of the water and I was like, what's that doing? Next minute, my phone just, oh shit.
Why do you always have luck at my spot?
I don't know. Oh, that's a nice 32. Holy crap. On the snapper rig again, bro.